CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple sheet metal elbow, and later we will divide this elbow in 3 parts. We will shape this parts separately in sheet metal form, and then you will get this flat pattern. See here, see this second one, and this. Let me show one more, this one. So this type of sheet 2D file we will get. We will get this part separately, and later we will convert this part into 2D file, so that you can easily cut this parts, and later you will roll and weld it and form an elbow. So let's start to make this simple elbow. Now let's start to create the sheet metal elbow in SolidWorks. So first we will make a solid body. So let's start with front plane, sketch, and here we will make some geometry. Let me choose circle. I'll draw a circle, and here select for construction purpose. Okay. Now let me choose line. Draw one quarter circle. Exit. Now select both the lines and choose for construction purpose. That's it. Smart dimension 1000 millimeter. Okay, it's by default. Okay, power trim, and I'll choose here power trim and trim this one. Okay, now let me select line here. Now we will define the geometry of elbow. So we will make a simple elbow. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 joints in elbow. Make sure it is vertical. Select both these lines and make equal. Now the same as select these 2 lines, equal. Select arc and line, create relation tangent. The same for the second line, arc and tangent. Okay, now let's define the dimension. 300 millimeter. Now this is the simple geometry, or you can say this is profile path. So simply exit. Okay, now let me select here top plane, sketch. Now this is the top plane, so select line, circle, and here draw one circle. Exit. Smart dimension, and let's define this diameter. Keep 600 millimeter or anything, it's not the big deal. Now I'll choose this end point of this line and center point of circle and make relation coincident. Now see, the drawing is fully defined. So path and profile both defined. Simply exit. Shift to boss base command. Here see sketch 2 selected. Now here select path. Now you can see the preview of this drawing. Okay. So this is the solid body. Now we will convert it into sheet metal. How we will do this one? First we need to divide this body in 4 number of parts. So first let's make shell. Thickness we will keep 3 millimeter. Select this, show preview, select OK. Now see, this is 3, the wall become 3 millimeter thick. Go to documents, property, image quality. Okay, that's the image quality is already high. Refresh. Oh, that's fine. Let's define this appearance. I'll choose. Okay, let's at the end we will define some. Now for sheet metal purpose we need to cut this body. So select front plane. This is in mid. Sketch. Take the position. Select circle and draw one circle. Make sure it covers outer line. Okay, and select extruded cut. Now see, keep end condition here mid plane, and thickness we will make only 1 mm. So a small gap we need. Okay. Now look, See, the gap is created. So still this is not in sheet metal form, it is still a solid body. So we need to first divide these four parts. So what we will do, we will create plane. I'll select this, see this circle and plane created here. Okay, again choose plane, and this time select this circle, clear. Now see this circle, plane created. Okay, again select here plane, and this last one, see, only select edge and it will show you the direction. Okay, now here we created three plane. Why we created this three plane? Because this three, with the help of these three planes, we will divide this four body in four parts. So this time comes, right click command manager and choose here direct editing. Once you go to direct editing, you will find the command is split. Now here you need to define the surfaces which is going to trim this body. So that's why we selected these three planes. So select these three planes. Now here select cut parts. Now see the resulting body, there are four bodies is going to define. Select this four body, 2, 3, 4. Uncheck this consume cut body, otherwise it will disappear. Okay. Now you will see one option here in your left hand side in tree manager, solid bodies. See 1, 2, 3, 4. This body is still not yet defined, not yet converted in sheet metal. So let me save this all planes, hide these planes. Now it's time to convert this body into sheet metal. So how we will do this one? Select the part 1, right click and here select insert into new part. We will take it to new geometry. It is asking you split body 1. Okay, now see, now it is asking to save. So create a folder, sheet metal elbow. This is part 1, save. Now still it is not converted into sheet metal. So go to sheet metal and here you will find option insert bend. We need to insert the bend there, then only it will going to convert. So select this outer edge, see edge selected, and this is the radius, by default is selected, and everything as it is. Okay, now it is converted into sheet metal. Now you can select here flatten. Select this face, normal. Now see, this is our main body. This is the flattened pattern. Now it's ready to use. You can directly insert this body in any turret punch or any cutting machine. You can cut it, round it and build it. So this is very important tool for the ducting industry, sheet metal. Now if you want to save this one, so how will you save this one? Select here save as. Save as DXF. Save as DXF file. It is in save. Now in your left hand side you will see DXF drawing file, sheet metal and geometry. Keep checked. Okay. Now once you select OK, a window will appear. Now see, this is your 2D drawing going to save in your destination. Select save. Now this 2D file saved. Now you can use this 2D file and do your work. Or even you can directly take it to make drawing, landscape. Okay. Now here you will get many options, left hand side, right hand side. I'll choose flatten view, drag. Okay, so let me this. Okay, now that's fine. Let me define the dimensions. Now this is the center line. So this is your 2D file. You can save this 2D file also. Save as drawing file. Save. Save all. Now cancel this. Unchecked. And cancel this. Save all. So how we save this one part? Now let me choose the part. Okay, this one. Insert into new part. Now see. Now again you need to save this split one part 4. Save. Now go to sheet metal, insert bend. Now let's choose a one edge, not face, choose edge. Okay. Now it is converted into sheet metal. Just select flatten. See. So this is your flatten pattern. Now even the simply say you can save. Save as. Choose here drawing. Select sheet metal geometry. Okay. Now this part also save. See, save. So this is the simple way you can convert any solid body into sheet metal, and you can make the 2D files for this any parts. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video. If you have any comments, just write down below and I'll try to answer each and every question. Thanks for watching.